Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you will be feeling well today, and I hope that you will be making the best use of your time, and you will be spending your time mostly on all those activities which give you a lot of benefits and which are important for your overall growth and development. As you know that time is precious, and the proper use of time is important for living a successful and productive life. It is said about time that time management is life management. When we learn how to manage our time or use our time more productively, more effectively, so this is actually we are learning how to manage our life, how to lead our life, how to spend our life, how to set goals for our life, and how to work for achieving all those goals. So when we learn about time management, and we start spending our time on the activities which we love and which we consider important for our success in life. So this is basically time management. Time management is basically life management. Now, what is time management skill? We talk about time management. We talk about we should manage our time. We should learn about managing our time. But the question is, do we really know what is time management? So, time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. So this is the definition of time management, that it is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. We perform different activities in daily basis. So now how to divide time between these activities, which activity we should give more time, which activity we should give less time. So this is called time management. Therefore, we must know about our top priorities. We must prioritize our activities, we must prioritize our life, we must prioritize our goals in our life. So when we are clear about our goal, when our goals and objectives are clear, and when we know about the importance of each and every goal and objective, and then we prioritize that this is my top priority, and then we give more time to that. So this is how we effectively learn how to manage the time, how to manage our life. So this is the beauty of time management, that how to spend more time on the most important activities, the urgent activities, the important activities of our life. So when we learn how to manage our time, so we become more effective in our life, we become more productive in our life, and we become more successful in our life. So time management is key to success. And all the highest achiever in the world, they manage their time exceptionally well. Those people who achieve great things in their lives, those people who got success in their lives, so they were the best time management. They develop the best time management skills. They work on their time management. They develop that, and that's how they got extraordinary results. They got great results. They excel in their lives. They excel in each and every walk of life. So it shows us the importance of time management, and how much time management is important in our life, and how much we need to work on this skill in order to develop it, and then we will be able to achieve our goals easily. So what is the importance of time management? Time management, when we learn how to manage our time, when we develop this skill, and when we start prioritizing our life, we start prioritizing our goals in life, our objectives in life, and then we start spending time according to the priority, according to the importance of the activity. So what happens, we start, it lead us, or it allows us to achieve greater things in a short time. we start achieving great things in a short time. We make great achievements in a short time. In a very little time, we can achieve great things in our life. So this is one of the benefits that we start achieving great things, we start doing achieving remarkable things, great things in a short time, in a little time. And it also allows us lead us to we normally have more time, more freedom. We have more free time, we have more freedom when we start achieving great things or bigger things in a short time. The second important benefit of time management is we become more productive and more effective in our life. We start giving better results, better performance, and we show excellence in each and every walk of our life. So we start getting great results, and we start giving great performance, showing great performance in our life. So this is another benefit of time management. It helps us to develop better focus. As we know that focus is important for every success in life. So we need focus to get success, and we can develop focus when we learn when we master the skill of time management easily. So therefore, if we are lacking in focus and we cannot focus on something, on our objectives, then we must learn the skill. We must work on our time management skill. So when we develop the time management skills, so we will definitely develop focus as well along with the time management. Because in time management, we know that how much time I should spend on some activity. So this is how we start developing focus for that as well. That I have this time, I have limited time, and I have to achieve this thing and that. So we start focusing on that, achieving that goal. So this is how we slowly and gradually we start developing focus. And as I told you people, that focus is the main difference between successful and unsuccessful people. So now if you want to be successful, then we must work on our focus, we must develop that. And if we want focus, then we must work on our time management skill. So time management lead us or help us to develop strong focus, laser-like focus. Another important advantage of time management is it lower our stress. It reduce stress, lower our stress. As you know that we develop stress because we don't know about the proper use of time. We don't have the time management skills, and because of that, we don't know about our objectives, and we don't know how much time we should spend on our goals and objectives or on daily activities. So sometimes because unknowingly we give more time to one activity, and then we have less time for the important activities. And because of that less time, we develop stress, we develop anxiety, we develop stress. So this, because we don't know about the time management skill. So once we learn about time management, once we learn about how much time I should spend on one activity, then we will definitely have more time for all the important activities of our life. And this is how we will have no stress. It will reduce our stress, and it will lower our stress level. And this is how we will start living a stress-free life. And you know, stress reduce our performance. When we develop negative stress, so it also badly negatively affect our performance, and therefore we cannot show great performance, better results, and we cannot achieve our desired goals, desired objectives. So it is also very important. Therefore, time management is, as I told you people, that it makes us productive. So it makes us productive or effective in a sense that it reduces, lower the stress level. So when we don't have stress and we have less stress while performing some activities, so we can play according to our talent, and we can perform according to our talent, our potential, and our ability and capability, and then we can perform well, and we can perform and we can achieve our targets, and we can get better results. So this is another importance of time management, that it lower our stress level, and then we start living. Whatever we do it stress free, and therefore we can show better and extraordinary results. When we learn how to manage our time, so then we have more time, more free time, because we know that how to whatever activities I have to perform daily, we have to perform daily, whatever activities I have to perform today. So I manage my time according to that, and then I have more free time for myself. And then in this free time, I can meet with the people who matter the most. Who matter the most, and I can spend time on those activities which give me energy, which give me happiness, on my hobbies, on my as well as favorite activities. So then I have for relaxing, for refreshment, I can also spend a lot of time on those activities which refresh me, which energize me, which make me happy. So therefore I develop balance in my life. I develop balanced attitude towards life, and I start living a happy, confident, and contented life. So these were some of the benefits of time management skill, that when we work on our time management skill and we develop it, and then we start getting these advantages and these benefits. Now the question is how we can improve our time management skills. So I would like to share a few tips with you people. When we apply these few tips, so this is how we will better our time management skill. So the first tip in this regard is set your all your activities on timer. A reminder. Set reminder for all your activities. Now, whatever I do in my life, I set reminder for that. For example, when I go to sleep, so first I set my mobile on timer. On reminder, I set the time that at this time I will get up in the morning. So, and before the class, when I'm at school and I have a class, so before the class, I set my mobile 2 minutes before the start of the class timer, and I set the reminder. And when I'm busy with people, when I'm talking to people, or I'm busy in my study, so when that alarm strike, then I come to know that now this is time part of my class. So therefore I start everything, and then I start making preparation for that very class. So, and before the prayer, when I am sitting at home and I want to go to the prayer, I will open my prayer this time. So I set my mobile, set the reminder on mobile 10 minutes before the time of the prayer. So I do all these activities myself as well. So this is how I manage my time very well. I know that how should I manage my time and what activities I should perform on daily basis. So setting a reminder is one of the best tip or technique. If we want to better our time management skill, then we must apply it for each and every activity of our life, and this is how we will improve our time management skill. The second important tip for improving our time management skill is we should give time. We should give time to our each and every activity. Set a time limit for each and every activity. For example, I want to study in the morning. So for how much I want to study? For 10 minutes, for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes. So I should fix a time limit for that. I will study for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. If I want to take exercise, so for how much time I should take exercise, I should set a time limit for that. I should fix a time limit. I should know about that I will take exercise for 30 minutes or for 1 hour. So this is how we should set time for each and every activity in our life, and this will also enable us to improve our time management skill. The next important tip is create a planner for the day. Create a planner. Most of the people they can manage their time very well just because they know what activities they should perform in the day, and they write it sometimes. They make a planning. In the morning they make a plan that today they will perform these activities, they will meet these people, and they will visit these places, and they will attend these events. and they will spend such time on these activities, on these events, and they will meet. For example, if they meet with people, so they know about the timing as well, that I will spend 20 minutes with that person or 30 minutes with that person. And so they know about their activities, they know about the people they meet, they know about the events they want to attend, they want about the places they want to visit. So they know about it. So they make a planning. So when you make, this is also called to-do list. So when you make this planning at night time or early in the morning, so you know about your day, and this enable us to improve our time management skill. So this is also very important when we apply it for our daily activities. So this is how we'll start managing our time in a more effective and a more productive way. The next important tip for time management is establishing a routine. When we establish a routine, when we know about a routine, that this is my routine. For example, I should know about my time, the time I go to sleep. If I go to sleep at 9 or at 10 p.m., so I should know about that this is now my routine. When it is 9, when it is 10 p.m., then I am in my bed and I am preparing for sleeping. So this is my routine. Now, at what time I get up? I get up at 5 or I get up at 6. So I know about that I get up at 5, I get up at 6. Now this is my now I know about my sleeping and my getting to bed and my getting out of the bed. I have set this time, so I know about that. Now what activities I perform after I get up in the morning? What kind of activities do I perform? Do I take exercise? Do I have a prayer? Do I recite the whole Quran? Do I go for exercise? At what time do I do my breakfast? At what time I go to work? So I must know about each and everything. So this is called. So this is a routine. This is how you will develop a routine when you practice it for a couple of days, and then you practice it, you prolong it, and you practice for months and then for years. So then it becomes your routine. You start establishing a routine, and then you're sure about each and every activity of your life. So when we have routine, and we establish a routine, it also enables us, and it also helps us to improve our time management skills. The last important tip is removing distractions. Or overcoming distractions. So whatever distractions we have, we must overcome that. So when we learn how to overcome our distractions, whatever thing distract us from achieving our goals or from our work, so we must remove all those things. So when we overcome the distractions, for example, I'm coming to the class, and there is a distraction that I should go to sleep or I should go to other place. So I should play cricket at this time. So these are distractions. So when I overcome these distractions, this is how I will be able to prioritize on my life, to focus on my priorities and focus on my life and focus on the most important activities. And this is how I will be able to manage my time very well. So these were some of the tips. When we start practicing these steps in our daily life, it will definitely enable us to improve our time management skills, and then the benefits which time management has for us, we will start getting all those benefits as well. Brian Tracy, he says time management is really personal management, life management, and managing yourself. Hope you got the point, hope you got the message, hope you got the topic, and now from your feedback you come to know about how much the topic was important for you and what were important points for you in today's topic, and what was useful and important for you.